News Shuttle, the premium newspaper for kids, has progressed into this thriving community of kids and parents. We are proud to be associated with supremely talented kids, and our main aim is to celebrate success and inspire others. To call our next guest just multi-talented would be a bit of an understatement, for Kopal Chauhan is an all-rounder. Let me invite Kopal to our platform to find out more about her. Welcome to News Shuttle, Kopal.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, great. So, Kopal, tell us something about yourself.
Hello, ma'am. My name is Kopal Chauhan. I am 6 years old. I live in Pune. My school name is Phoenix World School. I study in first B. My hobbies are dancing, drawing, modeling, gymnastics, and many more.
Oh, so you have so many talents. So firstly, Kopal, you are one of the winners of the Danceathon competition organized by SNW Wonder Magic.
Yes.
So for the benefit
Yes.
of our viewers, SNA's Wonder Magic was a mega online competition that included various categories and was conceptualized and executed by Miss Anjali Jangam. So Kopal, tell us, how did you join this competition? Did your mother ask you to join it?
No. I concentrate dance.
Okay. And tell me, how was your experience? Did you have fun in this competition?
Yes. Very much.
Oh, I am sure of that. And which song did you perform to?
3.
3 songs. And which songs do you remember?
Illegal weapon.
This is one of my favorite songs. It's so nice to dance to this number, right?
Yes.
It has great beats and so nice to dance to. And tell me, Kopal, are you trained in dancing? Does someone teach you dancing? And since what age have you been dancing?
No, my mother only teach me.
So your mom is a super dancer. She teaches you dancing.
Yes. My mother like dance and I also like dance.
Oh, isn't it great? So both mom and daughter both love dancing. Do you dance together sometimes?
Yes.
So it's so much fun to dance with your mom, right?
Yes.
And Kopal, I have seen your videos. Apart from dancing, you are also a champion skater.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे
Firstly, tell me, since what age have you been skating? And what's the best thing you like about skating?
4.
Hmm.
When I was 4, I start skating classes, and when lockdown come, I try to do in my home only skating.
Oh, so when you skate, it's so much fun, isn't it? It's like you are flying like a bird. You go so fast, isn't it?
Yes.
So when the lockdown and this whole corona thing ends, so it will be great, isn't it, to have your friends and you can go skating together?
Yes.
Okay. And Kopal, you are also
Yes.
a gymnast.
सरफिदा है ये ठीक बड़ा खुद से ही ये लड़ चला बागी बड़ा है मेरा हौसला खुद से ही ये लड़ चला तूफान भी ना मुझे रोक सका जिद पे मैं यूं चौड़ा
That means,
Yes.
and it is for a child your age, especially in India, there are not too many children who get into gymnastics. So tell me what made you join gymnastics, and what do you like about gymnastics?
Ma'am, gymnastics make my health and my body.
Yes, and when you do gymnastics, you get to be so flexible, you can jump and you can like bend your whole body. So it's great for your body to stay fit, isn't it?
Ma'am, but I want to say something to you. I can do cartwheel.
Oh, so will you teach me how to do cartwheels? I don't know how to do cartwheels.
Okay.
Okay, maybe someday I will again have this online session and you can teach me how to do cartwheels.
Okay.
So, Kopal, you're just 6. You do dancing, you do skating, you do gymnastics. So, how do you find time? Do you have a timetable?
Yes, my mother make a timetable. I follow the timetable. That's why I have time.
Oh, that's so nice to hear. So, when you have a timetable, you get time to pursue or follow your hobbies and your interests and also studies, right?
Yes.
And tell me, Kopal, apart from all these things that you do, what are your other hobbies? Do you have other hobbies? I think you mentioned
Yes.
modeling. You do modeling as well?
Yes.
Yes. So, what kind of modeling do you do? Do you do ramp walks or do you do TV commercials, or what kind of modeling do you do?
Modeling.
Oh, I can see you.
And walking too.
Wow. I can see from your face and your confidence that you're going to be a great model. So you're so bubbly, you have a beautiful smile, and you love makeup and dresses. What more should we ask for, right?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, if you had to choose one from dancing, gymnastics, skating, and modeling, which one would you choose?
Dancing.
Why dancing? Because it's
Because
so much. Pardon, what?
Because I love dancing and dancing is fun for me.
Oh, I'm sure of that, because dancing makes you feel happy, isn't it? When there is a beautiful song going on with great beats, you dress up and you dance, you feel happy from inside. Hai na?
Yes.
Yes. So, Kopal, I know you're very young, but there are so many young children who would be watching your video. Do you have any kind of a message for these young viewers?
Yes. I have one message for you all who likes dancing very much. Winning is not most important for us. Most important for us is participating.
So that's such a beautiful thought, Kopal, for a young child to know that participating and having fun in whatever you want to do, be it skating, be it dancing, singing, cooking, you should be happy, isn't it? So winning is not important, but participating with all your heart is important.
Yes, very, very important.
Very, very, very important. I know. Yes. So this was Kopal Chauhan, all of 6 years of age, with such clarity of thought, with a beautiful smile and such vivaciousness. It was indeed a great pleasure for us to have Kopal. We at New Shuttle, we wish Kopal all the very best in all of her endeavors. And until we meet again with yet another super wonder kid, this is me, Shashwati Bhatthakur Dixit from the New Shuttle team, saying goodbye.
Bye bye.